How do YouTube creators make money on their channels? And in particular, what is affiliate marketing? We'll have a look at this in today's video. Let's look at the top 5 ways YouTube creators can make money on their channel. They can share in advertising revenue, sell merchandise, sell services, accept contributions, participate in an affiliate marketing program. In order to share in YouTube advertising revenue, a channel has to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time per year. As of this taping, EZMotoTim has 150 subscribers and 1,000 hours of watch time. So the channel has a ways to go before it can apply for partnership status and advertising revenue sharing. It is possible to sell mugs and t-shirts or channel-related products. I might do this if there is interest. Are you interested? Creators with specific expertise can sell consulting services or speaking engagements. I worked as an IT consultant for 30 years, so I know how to do that. Perhaps I could do motorcycle consulting. If you're interested, let me know. I can help you install accessories, convert a Batwing Harley to a road glide, do trip planning, or lead rides. Viewers can contribute to channels through the website Patreon. At this time, I'm not ready to ask you for money to keep these videos going. Now let's look closely at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an arrangement where an online retailer pays a commission to another online entity for referrals. Creators can advertise specific products and receive commissions on the sale of those products. This is one of the easiest ways for YouTube creators who are just getting started to generate a little revenue, and this is the option I've chosen. I set up an affiliate marketing account with the Amazon Associates program. To earn commissions, I put links to products I recommend in the description of my videos and on my website. When you click on one of those links and buy the product, I receive a small commission, and it doesn't cost you anything more than if you had gone to Amazon directly. Here's a bonus for this channel. Anything you buy on Amazon, not just the items I've listed, earn a commission if you first click on a link on my channel or website and make the purchase within 24 hours. I realize this Amazon Associates program is a bit confusing, so give it a try. One popular product I recommend is Wash Easy. It's a very handy laundry product. It packs flat and dry and is very convenient whether you wash clothes at a laundromat or in the sink. Click the link in the description or go to my website, EZMotoTim.com/Amazon. Click on Wash Easy or any other product on the page. You'll then be taken to Amazon, where you can make a purchase. The holidays are coming, so I'm sure there is something you'll want to purchase on Amazon. If you first go to my website, you'll help support this channel. Thank you for your subscription, your watch time, and your Amazon purchases. I'll see you in the next video.